When upon arriving to the unit, you'll use the code given to you during check-in. This code will be used to unlock the front door throughout your stay. It is very easy to do. You just simply push the buttons with the numbers that correspond to your code, and you only have to push it once for any of the numbers you see on the particular button. And once you enter the code, you'll push the lock button. Simply enter your code, push the lock symbol, you'll hear it unlock. Simply open and enter. Upon leaving the property, just simply push the lock symbol. You'll hear it along with the audible beep that it is locked.